can't play the First Descendant on your PC because of the 0xE5000105 error? No need to worry, because in this video, I'll show you how you can fix this error and get back into the game. So without wasting any more time, let's dive into the solutions. Solution 1. Reinstall Nixon Game Service. To do this, open Steam, then go to your library. Next, right-click on the First Descendant. Then hover over Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now the file manager should open up. From here, go to the M1 folder and then to the Binaries folder. After that, open the Win64 folder and then the Black Cipher folder. Now double-click on ng-service_uninstall from here, and then click on Yes. Now double-click on ng-service_install and click on Yes. Lastly, restart your computer and check if that did the trick for you. Solution 2. Exclude the game folder in antivirus. First, open Steam, then go to your library. Next, right-click on the First Descendant, then hover over Manage and click on Browse Local Files. Now, the file manager should open up. From here, go to the M1 folder and then to the Binaries folder. After that, open the Win64 folder and then the Black Cipher folder. Now click on this top bar and copy the path. Next, click on the search icon and type Windows Security, and click on Windows Security from the search results. Then click on Virus and Threat Protection. After that, click on Manage Settings under Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Next, scroll down to the end and click on Add or Remove Exclusions. Then click on Yes. Now click on Add an Exclusion and select Folder. Next, click on the top bar, paste the copied path and hit Enter, and click on Select Folder. Now click on Add an Exclusion again and select Folder. Paste the copied path just like before. This time, click on the First Descendant from here, and click on Select Folder. Now check if the error is gone. Solution 3. Verify game files. To do this, open Steam on your computer, then go to your Library tab. After that, right-click on the First Descendant and select Properties. Now click on Installed Files. Now click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then click on Yes to give permission. Now, Steam will verify the game files. Once that's done, restart your computer and the error should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix the 0xE5000105 error in the First Descendant on your computer. If the video did the trick for you, then smash that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching.